In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete CJ Dropshipping Account tutorial. If you've been looking through your settings and can't find a delete button, you're not missing anything. CJ Dropshipping handles account deletion through a support ticket. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that step by step so you can make the request clearly and get it processed. Start by opening your CJ Dropshipping account and signing in so you land on your dashboard. From here, look toward the top area of the interface for the main navigation icons. Click the icon that opens your account options, then select Settings. This brings you to the page where most personal and store preferences live. At the top of this page, click on your profile. This is the logical place you'd expect to find an account removal option. As you'll notice, there isn't any built-in button to delete your account here. That's because CJ requires a manual request to their support team. To send that request, go back to the top area and click the icon above that leads to support options. From there, choose Ticket. On the ticket page, click Submit Ticket to open the request form. This is where you'll make the deletion request official. In the main message area, type a short, direct note such as, "I want to delete my account." Keep it clear and to the point. If you want to add a brief reason, you can, but it's not required for the request to be understood. In the expected result field, type, "My account to be deleted." Using straightforward wording helps the support team process your request without asking for clarification. Before you send it, take a moment to review your message for accuracy and make sure you're not including any unnecessary sensitive information. Once you're satisfied, click Submit. Your ticket is now in the system. You should see a confirmation that your request was submitted, and the support team will take it from there. Response times can vary, but your request is officially logged and associated with your account. If you check back later under the ticket section, you'll be able to see updates or responses from the team in the same place. And that's it. You opened your CJ Dropshipping account, navigated to settings in your profile, confirmed there's no direct delete option, and submitted a clear support ticket requesting account deletion with the expected results stated plainly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped simplify the process.